Hello. Hi,
Hi, how
Emily.
are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Anuj and I'm from India. It's so nice to see you here.
It's nice to meet you too. Do you live
How
in
far
India
from
currently?
Emily?
Sorry, what did you say?
I need a clarification first. Is
Okay.
my voice clear to you?
Yes.
That's so nice. Let's go.
Okay.
What
Um,
did you ask?
do you live in India right now?
Yes, I'm in India at
Okay.
this time.
Okay. Because
Yeah,
Cambly tells me that your
okay.
location is in the United States.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
I don't know how.
me neither, but it's okay. You're in India. We know.
Yes, I
Well,
hope you believe me.
I believe you. I believe you.
Okay,
Uh,
thank you so much, Emily.
so why are you on Cambly?
That's a very good question for me to answer. So I'm here because I'm a student of this language.
Hmm.
I'm not the teacher, I'm a student, and I just want to improve my English more and more every day. So when a person wants to improve any language of the world, he needs practice on regular basis, right?
Yes.
And that's why I decided to talk with a native speaker, and that's why I chose you to talk today.
Okay.
And on the other hand, I've got a YouTube channel and I make videos about English vocabulary and conversation.
Okay.
So, yes. So, this conversation is also going to be the part of my work on YouTube.
Okay. Are you putting me on YouTube?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't agree to that, but that's okay.
Okay. Are you not satisfied with it? Should I not upload this video?
I don't like to be on the internet like that.
Okay. You mean on YouTube?
Yeah, or on the internet in general.
Okay. So you just prefer one-on-one classes?
Yes, I prefer for mm, the classes that I have to not be uploaded for other people to see.
Okay. Actually, I have a question for you as
Mm-hmm.
well. That how to know that which tutor of this app allows this conversation to be uploaded on YouTube? How to know it? Should I ask every single teacher?
Yes.
This is only the way.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it is not part of our like Cambly policy that the students get to upload the videos to YouTube without saying anything.
Actually, this is just my second conversation here on this app. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just
That's why.
telling you. So if you
Yesterday,
want, hmm
can
yeah, yeah.
okay, okay. Actually, yesterday, my first conversation here, and this is the second.